In this lecture, we are going to buy a hosting and domain. So for getting a hosting and domain, we have a lot of options available on internet like Hostgator, Bluehost, SiteGround, Namecheap, and many more. My personal preference is Hostgator just because of my good experiences. That's why I will go with it. And still, if you have any of your personal preferences, I will suggest you to go with it. So whichever website you will select to go with, like I am going with the HostGator, just go to that hosting option and then click on shared hosting. Let's suppose if you go with the Bluehost, then you will need to go to the hosting section and open a shared hosting. Let's get back to the HostGator and see what we have under shared hosting. So we have three different plans. The very first one is hatchling plan, second one is baby plan, and third one is business plan. Let's see the differences between all these three packages and decide with what we should go with. So in the very first plan, we have single site, whereas in the next plans we have unlimited sites, means we can host unlimited sites. Next we have one-click WordPress installation in first plan, same for other two packages as well, and then free WordPress cPanel website transfer, and this is also same for the other two as well. Then we have unmetered bandwidth, same for the other two, free SSL certificate, same for other two, domain included, same for other two packages. Only business plan includes some additional points like free dedicated IP, free SEO tool, which I don't think so we need yet. So we are good with the hatching plan. Even if you are sure that you want to create a single site, I will suggest you to go with hatching plan. Otherwise, if you know that you want to create more than one site, then you can definitely go with the baby plan at least. So for this, I am good with the hatching plan. That's why I will go with it. So once you confirm with which package you want to go with, my own recommendation is going with the hatching plan or basic plan of any website you are going with. Just go to the buy now and it will redirect us to the new screen where we will select the domain name as well as fill some other fields too. So this is the area where we will find our domain name. So let's add a domain which is already taken so we can see what the results will be. So let's write numanwebs.com, which is my current domain, and I know it's already taken by me, just to show you what will be the results. So as you can see, numanwebs is taken and it's showing a status of unavailable, and that's why we cannot use this domain name. We have other domains with the different extension like numanwebs.club, numanwebs.site, but we want it to be in .com. That's why I will go with something that is available as I want to create a business site. So that's why I will go with WP site for business, and I'm good with the .com extension. Let's see, it's available. Yeah, it's available and it's free for me for the very first year. Next, if we scroll down, I will suggest you to uncheck the add domain privacy too. Next, we have choose a hosting plan, the very first field showing the type of package, which in our case is hatchling. Next, we have billing cycle. I will suggest you to go with 12 months at least, so you need to pay once a year. But I'm getting this just for the course purpose. That's why I will go with the 1 month package. Next, we need to set up our Hostgator account, and here we will write our email. I will suggest you to write a working email because you will need to do some confirmations later on. Here we will confirm our email address by retyping it. Here we will set a strong password. Next, we will set a security pin. And next, we have a billing info section. In this, we will write our personal info and billing details. And after that, we will see additional services section. I will recommend you to uncheck all of them. I don't think so we need any one of them. Coupon code is already activated, so my total bill is $24.90. And next, we will check in this box and click on checkout now. It will redirect us to the payment confirmation page and initiate creation of our Hostgator account. Next, it will redirect us to a survey form. If you want to fill it, you can. Otherwise, if we scroll down, we have an option to skip it as well. So our Hostgator account is completed successfully and it's now created. So for creating a WordPress for our website, we will click on Get Started. It will initiate the installation of WordPress on our domain. So our WordPress is ready and it is showing the username, password as well as the WordPress login link that we are going to use for logging into our WordPress dashboard. Before proceeding towards next step, we will open our email address with which we created our Hostgator account and confirm our email address. So here is the link by clicking on which we will confirm our email address that it's working. So it will show us a notification or a message that your email address has been verified successfully. Thank you. So now we can proceed. Now we will copy this WordPress login link and paste it into the new tab. It will redirect us to the WordPress login screen where we will add our username and password. Here are the username and password. You can copy them from here and click on login. So now we are in our WordPress dashboard. So if I remove this WP admin right after my domain name, I can see the front end of my website. And so we successfully set up the domain and hosting as well as install the WordPress.